Good morning. This is an instruction how to use this beautiful coffee machine. It looks more difficult than it actually is. So first of all, just turn it on. And then you wait until the pressure goes up to 1 bar. It will stop there at some point, and then you can start to prepare the coffee. Always make sure that there's enough water in there. You can just open this, take it off, and then check how much water is in there. Actually, there's not a lot there. So what you can do is you just take from the sink the top, pull it out, hold it, and then just add some water. Put this back. There we go. And meanwhile you're waiting for the pressure to increase, you can take this one for 2 cups espresso, or this one with a single one for 1 cup of espresso. So I'm going to do 2 now. And put it in here. And we've prepared for 2. You press the 3. No, actually you press the 2. Just make sure you add more or less 10 grams. So this is like shortcut buttons. You can also do it manually. And then you just press start and then it stops automatically. This is what you get. And then you need to take this plastic thingy, like in a coffee bar, like Starbucks, they do the same. It's hard to do with one hand with the camera on my hand now, but just push it hard. So in the end, this is really a tough surface. Then you put it in here on the left side, and then you turn it to the right till it's firm. And remove it the same way. So now everything is ready. Now we just wait until the pressure goes up.